Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new pipeline on HubSpot. So here I am in my deals section and you can see here that I have created a pipeline. So if you want to create a new pipeline, you need to select on this drop down menu and then click on create pipeline. Since I am using the free version, I don't have access to this button, but if you have bought the paid version, you will be able to create new pipelines. And in here you can create new stages, reorder them. You can change the deal probability. You can change the name of your existing pipeline as well by clicking on actions and then click on rename this pipeline. And here you will be able to rename this. And there you go. Your pipeline has also been renamed. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.